What's up? This is Sunny and watching Hangla Biker. This video is nothing special, but today what I'm going to show that is like I just ordered a screen protector for my bike and I received it today. So I bought it from Amazon. Here you can see. So I'm just going to install this and put it over here on the screen, because it's a LCD screen, right? So it might get scratched and it might get harmed or damaged from other particles, so you need to save it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean it up first I think I should be unboxing, opening the package. Well, oh my god. Okay, so once you open the package, you just get the bill, as just normal stuff, and here is the screen guard itself. Okay, I guess it shows phone, but I think that won't be a phone. Anyways, let's hope for the best. Okay, so this is not phone. You will see it's just for your bike. So I think this is how you open it. Now once opened, you will get this tissue. Okay, this is the bubble remover and this tissue. Okay, I think it contains some kind of liquid. Well, yeah, it's a liquid paper, so with that you need to clean your screen first. I thought I have to use this one, since I used to use this one to clean my lenses. So right now they sent liquid paper to clean the screen before installing. So you can see it contains lots of moisture and dirt. Okay, so once you clean it, you need to again use this paper, the dry ones, this way. Okay. So once you do that, be very careful. Please peel off this mask before application. Okay, so you will see this one says please peel off this mask before application. So this side needs to be peeled off first and this side should be peeled off after the application. So let's do this. I think this should go this way. Okay, this is kind of small from my screen. Okay, so this will go this way. So better fitment, I need to come here. Anyways, I'm almost done here. So Yes, so it's done now. Okay, so I missed a bubble over here. Let's see if I can like remove this. Okay, it is not possible. Once you do that, now let's clear this. Okay, so this is how you protect your bike from scratches. Okay, yes, okay, this feels good. So if you like the video, then do subscribe to my channel, and if you have anything to say, do let me know in the comment section below, and like the video if you have liked it, and press the bell icon if you haven't done it yet. So I'll be back with new videos afterwards. Till then, keep rocking, keep riding. Bye bye.